Hi, Will Nichols, General Manager for CrossRoads Ford. We're in the final days of our fall clearance, and as things cool down, we're turning things up with our biggest truck and SUV sale of the year. Like a new 2013 Ford Edge starting at just $22,300. Or get a new 2014 Explorer at up to $7,500 off MSRP. Or how about an incredible deal on a new 2013 Platinum F-150 at up to $12,500 off MSRP? Tired of your old car but don't think you can trade it? Well, with discounts this big, the time to trade is right now. Don't put it off. Come see me and see for yourself. CrossRoads Ford, exit 54 off I-95.